Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to get an Airtel Esim QR code. To start with, you need to send an SMS with your email ID to 121 in the format eSIM space email. After this, you will receive a confirmation SMS and a call confirming that you sent a request to convert your physical SIM to an eSIM. This will be followed by an email that contains a QR code. This QR code needs to be scanned using the iPhone on which you want to set up the digital SIM. To scan the QR code, open the Settings app on your iPhone and Android mobile phones and head to the mobile data option. Here, tap on the data plan option and scan the QR code. Remember, the code can be scanned only once. Now you will be prompted to add the Airtel data plan to the eSIM. Just tap on Add Data Plan at the bottom of the screen to do the same. You will be able to set this profile as primary or secondary. Next, you have to choose which number you want to use for calls and data. There will be a small period when your number will become inactive while it transfers from a physical SIM to a digital SIM. During this period, which lasts a few minutes, you will not be able to make calls, send SMSs, or access mobile data on the iPhone unit. Once this transfer is over, you will see the secondary eSIM profile in your mobile data settings. That is all you have to do to set up Airtel eSIM for dual SIM functionality on iPhones. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.